we're back at it again. You see what's going on. Hey, get home. Go home. Go home and Nate. Nate. I didn't say nothing about coming out. Back at it again. Hey, what did I just say? Nate. Y'all gonna learn. Might tell y'all nothing. Y'all ass in this cage, man. Yes, sir. Go ahead. Get it out, dog. Get it in there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look at it, man. You know what I'm talking about, man. You just letting the boys play. Hey, come on, man. Why y'all want to fight all the time, man? I want to fight all the time, man. I want to fight all the time, man. Look, man. Stay focused, man. You know what I'm saying? This is all playing out, man. Hey, come on, y'all. Go. Let's go. Go. Let's go, bro. Y'all get over here, man. Yeah. No. Bruno, get over here. Home. This what we on, Camp. Letting the Bulls play. Letting them get live one time. Live for all outside, man. We live for all outside, man. You know what I'm saying? We letting them get down and dirty to the grit down. Down and dirty to the grit down. You know what I'm saying? Look at them muscles on them boys, man. Them boys and girls, man. You know what I'm saying? Leave that alone, boy. Come on, y'all. I'm finna work out in a minute. I'm gonna make another video with me feeding and putting that good food in there for him. Putting that good food in there for him. Look how thick that man is. Yeah. Crazy ass. Well, he ain't trying to play no more. He told you. Nay, Zena, nay. All right. Good girl. Bruno. Nay. Bruno. Hey. Nay. All right. Y'all go at it. Go at it, play again. Get on his ass, Zena. 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 Yeah. Get over here. Get over here. Come on. Come on. Get on his ass, Zena. Get on his ass, bro. Get on his ass, bro. Get him. Get him. Get him. Go get him. Go get him. Go. Come on. Come on, Zena. See, he's smelling her. He trying to smell her. That's why I locked her up, because she ain't eat. Man, go home, man. Go home. Get your ass home, nigga. Oh, you ain't just scream. Get your ass home. You in timeout doing this shit. Look at him. You worrying about the wrong thing. Come on, Zena. Get over here. Let's go. Go home. You won. You won today. Don't worry about it. Hey. Don't open my thing no more. Don't play with me. I should give y'all a little snack. What y'all think of him, y'all? I just want to do a little quick video. I ain't just showing them playing. Y'all tap in, man. We'll tap in that a little later. You know what I'm saying? WBC, it's your boy Zell, man. Fun time. I'm finna go ahead and let them do their little thug thing. I gotta clean their bowls real fast. You know what I'm saying? So I tap in. Look how thick that neck is. Look at that neck, man. That head piece. Hey, man, go home. Y'all tap in, man. It's your boy Z. We out, man. That's Bruno, Zena, and V. I'm finna go ahead and get everything right. Put another towel in there for her. You know what I'm saying? Wipe it on down. But y'all tap in, man.